सर, मैंने एक शून्यकाल दिया था अनिल देशमुख को बर्खास्त करने की मांग को लेकर।
नहीं।
That is-
I have not permitted you, Sushil Modi ji. Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, please. You don't want you want publicity. If you have not allowed him, what is your problem? It is not going on record. It is not going on record. It will not. Sushil ji, please. This is not the way. This is not the way. I have not permitted. I have not permitted. Once I say I have not permitted, I will not permit. I will not permit. Once I say I have not permitted, I will not permit. No. This is not the way. Please. Yesterday also we lost the precious time. I appeal to all, please sit down. No, this is not the way. No, please. No slogans in the house. The same thing will be done by others. Then you will have problem. Dushyant, no. This is not going. Nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record. Sri K.C. Ramamurthy. K.C. Ramamurthy. एक कुछ रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. You lay it on the table of the house. K.C. Ramamurthy. Right? You are helping him by joining issue with him to get publicity. I have not allowed. It will not go on record. It will not go on record. Please, बैठ जाइए. No, this is not the way, please. आप लोग बैठ जाइए, please. ये कोई पद्धति नहीं है. सब लोग बैठ जाइए, भाई. What is happening? I have not allowed means I have not allowed. And I said it will not go on record. What else you want? अभी कुछ चाहिए तो बताइए. It is a state matter. I have not permitted. Understand this. It's a state matter. I have not permitted. I have not permitted means I have not permitted. No, nothing. How can it go? No. All of them, all of you has to understand this. It's a political issue, you settle it outside. Now question 286. Now it is time for question hour. Please sit down and allow the question hour to go on. Yesterday also we asked question hour.
बैठ जाए अपनी जगह पर. कोई चीज आपकी रिकॉर्ड पर नहीं जा रही है. क्वेश्चन आवर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 286, श्री पी भट्ट.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.